with oemlebd, I want to make us aware that the L in the middle somehow separates two words. And I invite you to make 4 steps forward. For O, for E, for M, and with L you arrive. And then make 3 steps backwards or continue forwards. That's fine. If you have space, that's even perhaps better. Yeah. A step for E, a step for B, a step for D. And it's not, we just walk backwards. It's just like a stair in a staircase. You just go forward and then you turn and then you continue moving up. It's just this direction backwards, but it's still upwards. Okay. And let's have a little bit the impression or the thought. It's in space. We begin in space. The L opens up the world of time. And the next 3 steps are in the world of time. O. E. M. L. World of space. Come in. But we have 2 L's. World of time. L. In time. B.